I am Brian Melani. I am an intern over at Make Magazine. So this bike we got from one of the local bike shops.
Make wanted to borrow the bike to build a gas-powered Whizzer clone, and so I worked with the interns, got it going.
The bike overall should go about 15 to 20 miles an hour, and it is a pretty quick little bike. To start the bike, you have the clutch pulled in, and then there's this pin up here that locks to hold the clutch in place, and then you pedal. When you start pedaling and get up to speed, you release the clutch and the bike will start. So when you engage the motor, it's actually being powered by the larger chain and not the smaller chain. On the engine, there's 2 spacer blocks, one on each side. On the back side, I had to add an additional spacer block just to mount the engine, since it is a wider V instead of the narrow V. I had to switch out the tire in the back. It was a larger tire, but the reason the tire didn't work was because it was too wide, and we had to mount this giant sprocket with the chain. And with the larger tire, the chain would actually rub and would potentially pop the tire over use. One of the things that's really cool about this bike is when you're riding it, it's a lot of fun.
You could build one just like this. Check it out in volume 26, Carts and Wheels, Make Magazine.